Hello there! Today, we're going to be talking about how to record music in LA and create a masterpiece from a demo. Los Angeles is known as the entertainment capital of the world, and it's the perfect place for aspiring music artists. However, recording music in LA can be quite challenging, especially if you're just starting out. But no need to worry. We've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. First things first, before you head to a recording studio, you need to have a song available to record. If you're a writer, you can pen down the lyrics yourself. But if you're not, you can always hire a songwriter who can compose one for you. It's essential to have a clear vision of the sound and message you want to convey with your music. The next step is to set background music for your lyrics. If you have the skills, you can create an instrumental that goes well with your song and vocals, using various music software and production techniques. However, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, you can always hire a professional or buy tracks from music sites like BeatStars, Beatopia, and Audio Jungle. Before you head to the recording studio, it's crucial to practice your music thoroughly at home. Recording sessions at a studio can be expensive, and any delays during recording can significantly increase the cost of production. Now that you're ready to head to the studio, you need to do some research. Find out about the recording studios available in LA and what tools they have. Check out their rates, reviews, ratings, and see if they specialize in a particular genre. It's also essential to consider the sound engineers and producers who will work with you on the project. A professional set of ears will ensure that you get the best recording possible. Once you've found the ideal recording studio, it's time to book a studio recording session. At the best LA recording studios, you'll get services such as vocal recording, mixing, and mastering. Make sure to know how many hours you'll need for the recording session. Once your music is mixed and mastered, it's time to release it. You can upload it to streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music through distribution platforms, or sell physical copies at events or online. Finally, take time to celebrate your accomplishment and publicize the release of your musical project when it's available to the general public on social media and blogs. Recording in a studio can be exciting and rewarding. With appropriate planning and direction, you can transform your music from a demo to a masterpiece. So don't be afraid to seek help when necessary and enjoy the process. By the way, Zoom Recording Studio in Los Angeles is one of the ideal places to record your hits.